Hi guys, I want to show you a quick and easy way to make little ribbons with a fork. Take a length of ribbon like this long, wrap it around your fork, keep the back a little bit longer than the front, make sure it's in a little V like that. Take the back piece, bring it around, stick it through that middle slot in between the middle two tines. Make sure you keep everything nice and straight and flat. Bring that ribbon up, bring it down through those tines. Take the other piece, wrap it around, bring it through the hole and make a knot, again keeping everything nice and flat. Tighten up that knot and then pull this piece downward so it matches up with the other piece. Now I flip it around. That's the front of your bow. Slide it off the fork and then just trim the ends. And there you have it. Quick, easy, simple miniature bow with a fork. If you want to make slightly bigger ones, just get a bigger fork.